Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing a knife that was sent to us by Holtzman Gorilla Survive. Let's go ahead and unbox this guy and see what you guys think. Holtzman's got that pressed into the box. That's pretty nice. Got a little bit of plastic film. Perfect. Got some paperwork. There's a lot of different applications. There's a lot of different ways that you can wear this guy, which I think is pretty cool. They do have a Facebook page that they mentioned here, so if you guys can, check them out on Facebook. They got some pretty cool stuff. But we're here to talk about the Reverse Eagle Claw. This is what we're all here for. I see it's got a little bit of oil residue inside, but check this guy out. It really locks in with those fingers. Perfect amount of space in between them on the grip. Really cool compact knife. This would be a great little tool to have in your hunting bag, and because of its compact size, I mean, I would imagine you could wear this around your neck very easily, or you could use this belt clip. Got this Kydex holster. As you guys can see, there are a lot of different holes. We have various holes on this Kydex holster, so I think I'm gonna go for this belt clip option. Locks in. I like how that just snaps right in. You tuck that guy down in behind your belt, clip it together, and it is locked in for the day. If you do have a larger belt and you need to maximize and have the full amount of space in here. So these little pieces are removable from what I can see. You can clip in like that. Let's put this down for a second and let's jump back to this knife. How does she fit inside here? We just got to break it in. There we go. So it does snap in pretty darn good. It's a good click. That's what I was wanting to hear. It snaps in really good, but God, I'm pulling about 15 pounds of pressure. I can see there's a little bit of plastic shavings that are building up on the edge here. That's probably where that lock-in is actually taking place. But no, we want to make sure we get this Kydex holster broken in. Can't forget this ferrule rod, so pretty good. Seems to do the job. And the blade edge does not seem phased at all. Let's go ahead and put this guy back in here. Take our little ferrule rod, put that here. Fits in just fine. Really cool little layout in this guy. I mean, it's small, so it doesn't take up much space. It looks great. Seriously, very creative, very unique looking blade. Cool. I want to see how we can get this guy to fit on here. So I would say this is going to be our best bet about right there. So let's try that. Rotating back and forth between the two screws. And as for me, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this here on my Chubby Love handles and clip it into my bathing suit. I think that's pretty handy. Nice concealed carry. Okay, so after wearing this guy for a little over 2 weeks, I can say that it is a very useful everyday carry. It is a very sharp knife. We've used it to cut a variety of different things, and boy is it pointy. That's probably been my biggest thing that's had me, practice a lot of caution, is that this is something you could easily stick yourself or something else with. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that the blade is still retained some level of sharpness. So it's still cutting pretty decent. I just wanted to demonstrate that it is still performing pretty well. By far my favorite thing about this knife is its compact size. The fact that I can carry this in my pocket or I can wear it on my belt makes it pretty handy and versatile. So definitely a big plus there. The compact size of this makes it a huge win. As for a downside, the only thing that I can really think of that I didn't like was the fact that the ferrule rod, it was fairly easy for it to just get knocked out, knocked loose, and I inevitably ended up losing it. But nonetheless, guys, I will leave it at that. Once again, this is the Reverse Eagle Claw.
If you guys are interested in this reverse eagle claw, you can go ahead and get one at their website. You should be able to save 10% if you use coupon code Longshores Outdoors. So I'll go ahead and put the links down in the description below. Special thanks to Holtzman Gorilla Survival for sending us this knife. I hope you guys enjoyed taking a close look at it. We've enjoyed using it the last couple weeks, and we plan on putting this in some more videos in the future. I think this will be the official blade of Longshores Outdoors for the time being. So greatly appreciate you guys watching the video, and we will see you guys on the next video. Take care.